Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, set up and review the DuoTen E7 waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Hopefully my video will help you with your buying decision. Inside the box you have the Bluetooth speaker, a charging cable, an audio cable, the user manual and a strap. Now let's have a look at the Bluetooth speaker. As you can see, it has a nice design. It's made of TPU surface, making it scratch-proof and IPX waterproof. This means you can use it in rain, snow, dust and sand, making it perfect for outdoor activities, such as swimming or camping. You can also use it as a shower speaker in the bathroom. Charging it will take approximately 3 hours and the battery can give you 24 hours of playtime. Now let's look at the back of the speaker. Here you have the control buttons, which I will explain in detail later in the video. At the bottom you have a flap. If you open it, you will find a USB-C port used to charge the speaker. You also have an aux port, enabling you to connect your Bluetooth speaker to other devices using the audio cable provided. Finally, you have a micro SD slot. This means you can load your songs onto a memory card to play them. Now let's test it. To power it on, press and hold the middle button for 2 seconds. The LED indicator will start flashing. You will also get an RGB light illuminating on top of the speaker, which changes to the rhythm of your music. You can now connect your phone to the speaker using Bluetooth. To do this, on your phone, go to Settings, then tap on Connected Devices. Tap on Pair New Device. E7 will appear in the list. Tap on it to start pairing. Then Pair. All done. My phone is now paired with the speaker. I can now play songs from my phone. As you can hear, it has excellent 360-degree stereo sound quality. A short press on the minus button will reduce the volume. A short press on the plus button will increase the volume. A long press on the plus button will play the next song. A long press on the minus button will play the previous song. Short pressing on the middle button will pause or resume the song. Finally, you can also change the theme of the RGB light by short pressing on the plus and minus icon together. Overall, this is a great Bluetooth speaker. It has excellent sound quality, it's easy to use and very practical for outdoor activities. You can use it in your garden, when camping or next to the pool when swimming. Because it's waterproof, you don't need to worry when it rains. If you have any questions about this product, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.